Hi. Okay, so in this video we'll continue from where we stopped. So in previous lessons or videos we spoke about how we're having our geometry for the simulation. Okay, so this is the end point, but I would have to start again. I'm quite familiar, or let's say I prefer using Autodesk Inventor for my modeling, as the case may be. Okay, so let me just take off this. I'll just delete this so we can start again. So just delete this button. Okay, so we have Autodesk Inventor. If you want to know more about the software, you should take our course on Autodesk Inventor so you can get up to speed. But if you follow me, you can do exactly what I'm doing, or I'll also provide the STP file or IPT file in the exercise files for you or as part of this course. So there'll be a link in the description below so that you can download it. Okay, so we want to do this. Let me just bring up the image. Okay, this is the image, or this is the channel. This is our course. This is the course cover, our thumbnail, so you can see this. So this is what we are designing, so just do it. I'm sure you can use any other software you want to use. So we have the base to be 14 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 30 millimeters. Okay, so let's start. So come to your Autodesk Inventor, click on your start 2D sketch, and you pick the plane you want to use. I love XY plane, just because I want to see it in I want the isometric view to be in the 3D space or things like that. Let's start. Okay, so you have that to be 14. Just take your line. You can use whichever method you prefer. For this to be 14, then tab 0, and so this is 10. Okay, so I'll just put this as 10. I'll put this as 0, then I'll put this as 10. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to put. Let me stop that. So I was supposed to put the angle at 90 degrees this point, so it should be 10 degrees, 10 millimeters and 90 degrees. Okay, so we have this. I guess this is 2 millimeters in. Let me just put 2 millimeters. It also be at 90 degrees, 2 millimeters. Then this will go down. Let me check. Okay, 2 millimeters minus 14. That will be 10. So we also have this, the depth. Oh, we don't have that here. Okay, let's assume it to be 7. So you have this to be 7. I'll put in that or 8. So you see, you can decide to do yours in a different way. So this will be 10 from our calculation up there. 90. We have this also to be 8. So since we have it snapping, I can just snap it here. Then we'll just close it up. Okay, so we have this. So you just press escape and then we'll finish our sketch. So we want it to look somewhat like this, and then we want to take an extrusion in. So we'll take your extrusion. Okay, so we said the extrusion is 30 millimeters. Yeah, this is a very basic shape, but I'm intentionally doing it here so you can see what I am doing. Okay, so from this point now, we need to also make a liquid body. And the truth with Ansys is that you don't have a void space in Ansys. So we want to say water flows through this channel, or in the Nigerian setting, we say it's a wastage, drainage, or gutter, as the case may be. So we want water to flow through, or a liquid medium to flow through. So we have to model that liquid medium. You can't tell Ansys that this free space, just put something there. No, you have to put a solid body there. So we'll still click on that face. So we'll put a new sketch there. All you just need to do is just put in a rectangle to fill in that vacuum. Ensure it snaps to the edges. Finish your sketch. Then the same thing, we'll extrude the other way. So you want to extrude, and so you have to take the other direction. Now notice we'll have to put a Boolean operation, or yes, we want to say it's a new solid. It's a Boolean operation. If you are used to Cinema 4D, I use it a bit. It's the same thing there. Also, if you're used to Design Modeler or Space Claim, you do like a splitting or something. Okay, so you have this. So just put it as your new solid and click on OK. Now I'll show you why I did that. So you see you have two extrusions here, and then also you have two solids, and that's fine, so that we can name this solid as solid so, or solid A, which is the body, and then we'll say solid B will be the fluid medium. So once you are through, just save it. Don't be like me. As I said, I will be saying, please learn to save your work. So once you've saved it, I'm saving mine as Ansys model. You can use anything to save it. So we'll stop here in this tutorial, in this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to export it for Ansys and the particular file extension that Ansys uses. Thank you.